फिटनेस। मैं हूं दर्शना और आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं फुल बॉडी होम वर्कआउट। ये वर्कआउट हमें कैलोरी बर्निंग, बॉडी टोनिंग एंड स्ट्रेंथ बिल्डिंग में हेल्प करेगा। ये वर्कआउट एक 30 मिनट्स फॉलो अलॉन्ग वर्कआउट है जिसे आप मेरे साथ कर सकते हो। और ये वर्कआउट करने के लिए आपको कोई भी इक्विपमेंट की गरज नहीं है, सिर्फ हमें लगेगा एक योगा मैट एंड एक वाटर बॉटल। तो शुरू करते हैं विद वर्कआउट।
Both your arms wide like this. Yes. Come on. Big arm circles. Outwards. And inwards. Neck rotation. Anti-clockwise. Waist rotation. Leg swings. So it's a full body workout जिसमें हम अपने हर बॉडी पार्ट को फोकस करने वाले हैं। हर बॉडी पार्ट के लिए एक्सरसाइज है, कोर है, स्ट्रेंथ है, अपर बॉडी, लोअर बॉडी, आर्म्स, शोल्डर्स, एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी टेकन केयर ऑफ। नाउ फीट। हर एक्सरसाइज को हम 45 सेकेंड्स के लिए करेंगे और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज पे जाने से पहले 15 सेकेंड्स का ब्रेक लेंगे। Stretching and now some warm up. Spot jogs for 30 seconds. So we are going to do 12 different exercises today covering all your body parts और इन 12 exercises को हम 3 different sets में करने वाले हैं. Every set, every circuit is going to have 4 exercises. So 3 circuits, 4 exercises each and we are going to do every exercise twice. Okay, now star jumps for next 30 seconds. So basically हर सर्किट को हम 2 बार रिपीट करेंगे। पहली बार में आप कोशिश करोगे कि आप एक्सरसाइज की फॉर्म पे ध्यान दो, आप टेक्निक पे ध्यान दो, पोजीशन पे ध्यान दो एंड नेक्स्ट राउंड में आई वांट यू टू डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ। ऑलराइट? ओके, ऑलराइट। So let's start with our first circuit, first exercise, which is alternate lunge. And this is how you have to do alternate lunge. Both your hands will be on your waist and one step forward, lunge, पीछे, one step, other step forward, lunge. Make sure कि जो आपकी नी है वो आपके पैर को क्रॉस नहीं करेगी. Keep doing it. Start, start, start. Let's do it together. Look forward, keep breathing. Your knee should not cross your toe. It's not a stretching. It's a strengthening workout. Okay? That is it. Break. So next exercise is plank to downward dog. So we'll come in the plank position. And here we go. Let's start with me. So plank and downward dog. Then back to plank. Then downward dog. Plank, downward. Plank and back. So here we are working on our legs, on our core, on our arms. So a good compound movement. Keep breathing, guys. Plank and back. Plank and back. Beautiful. Take a break. So next exercise is tricep dips. And आप किसी भी चीज़ की सपोर्ट लेके सोफा, चेयर, टेबल, whatever, आपने दोनों हाथों को पीछे रखना है और लेग्स को स्ट्रेट. And now start. Legs straight होंगी. So this exercise is for your triceps. और आपकी जो बैक है वो इस तरह नहीं आनी चाहिए, पीछे स्ट्रेट रखनी चाहिए. All right? Keep it up, keep doing, keep doing. This is tricep dips. Look straight, keep breathing. Ten more seconds to go. Can you feel it? Can you feel the burn? 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. So next exercise is for our back Superman pull down. For this you need to get down on the floor on your mat and you have to start it like this. Do it with me. Let's do it along. Superman and pull down. बैक नीचे ऊपर दोनों हाथ और पैर एक साथ ऊपर जाएंगे. कम से कम 10 से 15 सेंटीमीटर का डिस्टेंस होगा फ्लोर से और यहाँ पे होल्ड करेंगे. पुल बैक डाउन. गॉट इट? ओके. अप होल्ड पुल बैक डाउन. लवली. लेट्स डू इट अगेन. अप होल्ड पुल बैक down. Beautiful. So this is for your back. All right. Up, hold. Last one. Hold. Keep the hold. Pull. Back and down. Beautiful. Good job. So with this, our circuit 1 first round is complete. Now let's start it all over again. Second round, circuit 1 with alternate lunges. Okay. 1, 2. Now you know the technique, you know how to do it, you know the form, you know the posture, and I know you can rock it now. Keep rocking, keep moving, keep smiling, keep breathing. Look in the front. We are together. We are doing this together, right? This is amazing, brilliant workout for your legs, for your whole legs, right? 10 more seconds. Come on, keep pushing yourself harder. Good job. And done. Lovely. Next exercise, plank to downward dog. So position, guys. Get down on the floor. Plank position. Parallel, body parallel to the ground. And 3, 2, 1. Downward dog, plank. Downward dog, plank. Guys, we are not going to repeat this exercise again. So I want you to throw the best shot. Give your best. Keep working hard. Remember why we started. You should be able to cherish this by the end, alright? So make sure it's working. 15 more seconds. Straight. Back. Now stay here. Stretch. Plank. So when you go piche, try to look at your toes. And when you go aage, try to look in the front. Alright? And done. Lovely. Tricep dips. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep breathing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know it's burning. I'm with you. You're not alone, okay? Keep breathing, guys. Keep moving. Keep pushing yourself. If you want those toned arms, let them burn right now. Shake it. Good job. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Back to Superman and pull down exercise in 10 seconds. Take the position. Superman pose. Be like a Superman. Try to fly. Let's start. Superman, pull down, back and down. Up, hold, back and down. Lovely. I'm so proud of you. I'm so glad to see you here today, and I'm proud of the fact that you decided to give this time for yourself, for your body. You're going to enjoy this later. So make sure you also enjoy the journey, right? It's important to be here right now and enjoy the workout. That's how you make the best use of it. Well done. Get up. So, circuit 1 completed. On to the circuit 2. Alright, let's do it. Down, walk out, and walk. I don't care how many reps you do. This is why we are not counting the reps here, because मेरा गोल है कि आप इस एक्सरसाइज को सिर्फ कंप्लीट ना करो, रादर अच्छे से कंप्लीट करो, प्रॉपर फॉर्म में कंप्लीट करो. दिस इज व्हाई वी आर गोइंग स्लो. वी आर नॉट काउंटिंग द रेप्स. ओके, इट्स टाइम बाउंड बट नॉट रेप्स बाउंड. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज is for your abs, for your core. 2 touches. So get down on the floor, on your mat. Be ready. Legs up, and you have to touch the toes. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Touch, 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 and back. Legs straight. Toe touch and back. Touch and back. Good job. Keep breathing and keep enjoying. I want you to keep smiling throughout. Feel the stretch. Engage your muscles. Engage your body. And do your best. Remember why you're doing it. Remember the purpose, right? Last one and back. Come on, let's do it. 1, 2 skaters, speed skaters, guys. Look in the front. Don't bend. I don't want you to bend, right? Look straight. Okay? Like I'm looking at you. You better look at me. Come on. Let's do it together. That's the fun part of it, right? We are doing this workout together, not getting bored. There's someone with you, there's someone with me. So let's enjoy to the fullest. 15 more seconds to go. And keep pushing yourself. Skaters for our legs. And lovely. Now and out. Okay, this is how you do froggers. Peaches. Keep doing it, keep moving. You have to do with your own pace, making sure the posture is correct. Okay? Frog, like a frog. Alright? Okay. 15 more seconds. Keep moving. Lovely. 5 more seconds to go. Piche, aage, and done. Beautiful. So circuit 2, round 1 done. Let's move towards round 2. I know we're already sweating. Okay. So walk out and just a single push-up. Modification for those who were not able to do the push-up. Put your knees on the ground and then make it. Walk back. Up. Okay. Those who can't make a regular push-up, knees on ground, push-up and back. And those who can do a regular push-up, keep doing it. And those who can't do, try to do it. Because it will happen only when you try. एक बार फेल होगे, 2 बार फेल होगे, but कोशिश करोगे तो ही हो पाएगा. Because if you will not try, who's going to help you then? Help yourself. Last 4, 3, 2, and there we go. Beautiful. Next, lying toe touches. Take position. 5 seconds का break है. Lie down. Take a deep breath. Okay, let's start. Hands up and touch your toes. Try to literally touch the toes with the tips of your fingers. If you can't make it completely, try to stretch it as much as you can. Alright? Keep doing it, guys. Keep moving. 15 more seconds to go. I love the way you're doing it. Keep pushing yourself. 5 more seconds. We can do it. Come on. And done. Lovely. Get up. Skaters. Speed skaters. You ready? Come on. Skaters. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can do it. We rock. I hope you're enjoying the movement today. So since it's a full body workout, all exercises, all body weight, no equipments, no bars, no lats, no dumbbells. So you can do it every single day. Do it along with your friends, your family. Take your partner along, and we all can do it together, right? And down. Lovely. Froggers. Back and front. Back and front like a frog. Back, front like a frog. Peach out. Lovely. Halfway through. Last exercise of second circuit, and then we move towards the next one. Okay, 3 circuits and 2 almost done. 5 more seconds. Keep pushing. Pulses. We need to add pulses. Okay, to the squat. So this is how you do squat. But now we'll do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, come on. Keep breathing. Good job. Keep breathing because it's really important. 10 more seconds. Last one. Beautiful. Now let's repeat the set. Let's repeat the entire circuit and with standing side crunch. Let's just quickly grab a sip of water. Okay, let's begin. Okay, last time we did it this side, now the opposite side. Otherwise, बहुत ही imbalance create हो जाएगा body. Okay, you do it on the opposite side. Last time जहाँ किया था opposite side. Okay. 10 more seconds to go. Good job. Keep moving. I know you're all sweaty, and so am I. And grab toe reaches. Take a breather. Deep inhale from the nose. Exhale from the mouth. All right, let's start. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2. Opposite hand, opposite toe. Guys, almost there. Almost there. Okay? This is the time when you need to push yourself. It's just the last round, last set of work that counts. अभी जो फीलिंग आ रही है ना, पसीना बह रहा है, सांसें फूल रही है और थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, this is what matters. यहाँ पे this is the point where maximum people give up, but I'm sure you're not one of them, right? Good. Plank jack with push-up. 5 jacks, 1 push-up. Not asking too much. This is not too much, right? 5 plank jacks and 1 push-up. Okay, let's begin. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 push-up. Those who can't make push-up, go for a knee push-up. Okay? 1. I know it's killing. Last one. Beautiful. Lovely. Last one. Take a break. Grab your breath. Take a sip of water. Deep breath. Come on, squat with pulses. If you are with me, और अगर यहाँ तो पहुँच गए, this means you're already a winner, guys. So if you're enjoying it, if you're enjoying the burn, if you're enjoying this momentum, don't forget to like the video so that I know how many of you really like doing this workout. Okay, last one. And beautiful. Let's just quickly grab a sip of water.
वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स, मेन मूवमेंट्स कंप्लीट हो गए। अभी हम लोग करेंगे कूल डाउन, हैंड स्ट्रेचेस। धीरे से अपने राइट हैंड को लेफ्ट हैंड से पुल करना चेस्ट की तरफ। ब्रीथ इन, ब्रीथ आउट, स्लोली रिलैक्स। सेकेंड हैंड, रिलैक्स, बैक साइड। एक हाथ को दूसरे हाथ से पुल करना है। रिलैक्स, सेकेंड हैंड। नेक्स्ट स्क्वाट स्ट्रेच। हील को बट की तरफ लेके आना है, बैलेंस करना है अपनी बॉडी को। रिलैक्स, सेकेंड लेग। जितना हो सके उतना पीछे पुल कीजिए एंड रिलीव। नेक्स्ट है शोल्डर स्ट्रेच। धीरे से नीचे जाना है हमें। रिलीव। हैंड से टो को टच करने की कोशिश करना है। वेरी गुड, गो डाउन। नेक्स्ट है कोबरा पोज। दोनों हाथ को शोल्डर की तरफ रखना है एंड हेड को सीलिंग की तरफ पुल करना है। एल्बो सॉफ्ट, रिलैक्स, ब्रीथ इन, ब्रीथ आउट। स्लोली चाइल्ड पोज में जाना है हमें। बर्ड्स को पैर पे बैठना है, हेड डाउन, हैंड स्ट्रेट। And relax. Very nice friends, well done, completed with the workout. बहुत ही अमेजिंग फील हो रहा है एंड स्वेटी फील हो रहा है। अगर आपने मेरे को फॉलो किया है तो वेरी नाइस। अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस अच्छे लग रहे हैं तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए और अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। मिलते हैं कल डिफरेंट एक्सरसाइज से। बाय बाय, टेक केयर।